Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Xu Qian, come from Huawei Technologies. Today, I would like to introduce our composite share demo. Our demo is focused on sharing and communication between people and families. There are some OMA enablers covered in our demo. The last picture shows the ISC enabler. There are the users, service provider, and content provider. Users can share and synchronize content with others. And in the right picture, there is a UVE enabler, which allows the user to get a unified experience with different devices. So with these enablers, we can achieve some more interesting scenarios like viewing and communication, synchronized views, and multi-device support, and so on. Now, let's turn to our demo. Here is some feature of our demo. We support a high-quality video call, and we can share in photo, video, and music, even more, device screen. Also, there is a special feature that we can support seamlessly switch between different devices. Look at the architecture of this demo. The server, which play a role that manage user and their devices. So you can see that there are some control message between the server and the user. The server will hold the status of user and the device so that people can get real-time information about their friends. You can see their end user. Every end user may have various devices. So we do some adaptation to them to show the same content. And later, I will introduce something about the seamless switch between different devices. Now, let's look at some more scenarios. The first scenario is our high-quality video call, which support multi-devices and have great quality with the powerful hardware. And the most special feature is that we can seamlessly switch display between the phone and the HD TV. So here is a story. Jack and Kate are friends. First, Jack will make a video call to Kate. So they would like to use their phone to talk. And then Kate's family would like to talk with Jack. So Kate can easily switch this video call from his phone to this HD TV. So all family members can see Jack in their HD TV. And Jack will see everyone, which is captured by this HD TV's camera. Next scenario is about sharing. Sharing is important for people. You know that Twitter, Instagram, and other app is very popular, and people always like to use them to send a message or share photos. So, but there is some difference in our demos because our demos is synchronized. What it means is that when you are using Instagram, you send your picture, but you don't care whether your friends are online or whether your friends have saw it. But in our demo, the two persons, we can call it the receiver and the sender. They must be online at the same time. So it's a synchronized share. I don't think that means one is better than the other one. I think that there are different ways of sharing, and they fit different conditions or people's different demands. So let's look at some feature of our sharing. We can support sharing most type of multimedia content, like photo, movie, music, or device screen. And shared content can be sent to local or remote device. For example, when you are at home, you can share photo from phone to your HD TV. So all family members will see it in the big screen. And the content can be shared between families with this remote share. This is the third scenario. In this third scenario, we combine the first two scenarios because we think that people need more than the traditional communication or sharing. For example, when you are making calls with people, you may like to tell your recent situation or share some photo or videos. So with our dual display feature, you can show photo and video in one big screen, just like the left picture. And compared to the traditional sharing, you can not only share the content, but also you can tell some story behind it. So it's not just sharing, it's interactive sharing. And the sharing process is synchronized. It means that whatever you do to the content, shared content, it will reflect to your friend's display. For example, when you are playing video with your friends, you can easily go to an interesting position, and your friends will synchronize to the same position. Or you can zoom picture to see some details with your friends, just like the right picture. So we combine communication and sharing that people can share their emotion when they share content. That's my demonstration. Thank you.